everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today's recipe is for all the seafood lovers, especially those of you who love prawns. We are going to make this special Andhra Prawn Masala. So let's get started and check it out. You're probably thinking that it's just another prawn masala. Well, no, we're going to make a special masala paste that actually enhances this dish. For this, first we're going to roast a few ingredients. To a small pan, add 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds, 1 teaspoon whole peppercorns, and a few whole spices, a small piece of cinnamon, 2 cardamom and 3 cloves. Keeping the flame on medium, just dry roast all the ingredients. So I'm getting this beautiful aroma here. At this point, I'm just adding a teaspoon of poppy seeds. If you don't have poppy seeds, you can make this masala without the poppy seeds. Now you don't want to roast it too much. So once you've got this beautiful aroma, you can turn off the stove. Cool the ingredients completely. Transfer the roasted ingredients once they've cooled down to the mixer jar. Once you've ground this to a fine powder, add a little water. So grind it to a nice smooth paste. Remove from the mixer jar and keep it aside. To a nice wide pan or a kadai, I'm adding 3 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, I'm adding 2 large onions finely chopped. Now depending on the quantity of the prawns, you can adjust the onions. Keeping the flame on high, saute the onions till they turn to a lovely golden brown color. So you can see the onions have turned to a lovely golden brown color. At this point, I'm going to add 1 large green chilli that's cut into 4. Along with this, I'm adding 2 teaspoons of fresh ginger garlic paste. Keeping the flame on medium low, continue to saute for about a minute or so. After 2 minutes, I'm adding 1 large tomato finely chopped. After 2 minutes, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Just mix that in. This is just going to soften up the tomatoes. Now add the ground masala paste and just mix that in. So here I have 250 grams of fresh medium-sized prawns that's been cleaned and deveined. I'm just going to add that into the pan. Mix the prawns into the masala. Now you see the prawns, they cook very fast. So keep the flame on medium and gently mix it along with the masala. I've made several prawn recipes. I'll give you the playlist in the description. You can check it out. So those of you who love prawns, you must try all those recipes that I've done. So you can see the prawn is cooked beautifully. All that excess moisture from the prawns that's released has softened the masala up. You can check for seasoning at this point, and if you do need to add a bit of salt, you can add. Just adding a tablespoon of water just to cook that masala. So you can see the prawn masala has come together beautifully. Finally, I'm finishing off by adding a few curry leaves and some freshly chopped coriander leaves. Let me tell you, this prawn masala smells and looks amazing, and I can't wait to taste it right now. So there you go. Our special spicy Andhra prawn masala is done. You can enjoy it with some nice hot steaming rice. Who will you share this classic combination with? Hot steaming rice and spicy prawn masala. Let me know in the comment section while I enjoy it now. Wow. Unbelievable flavors. prawns so juicy and the masala is just perfect. Fantastic combination. You don't want to miss this. Well, I absolutely loved it. This is what I'd like to call soul food, where you feel really good after taking a bite or having a meal. So I hope you guys enjoy it, share it with your family and friends, and let me know how it turned out for you guys. Check out the product tags below if you'd like to shop the items I use in this video. For the detailed recipe, go to our HomeCookingShow.in website. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.